All right, special thanks to our friends over at this company who were nice enough to send us this 2.5 gig 5-port switch. So inside of this little box is a 2.5 gig switch. So very nice, very nice. We've got instruction manual, power cable. That's it for the box. So the switch you're looking at here would power up to 4 devices at once. So like say you have an office, you have a printer in there you need to be plugged in, you have a computer, you have something else, you can plug those 4 into here. Now this also has SFP plus links. So you could essentially not have to use up one of your ports if you use one of these little adapters. So right now, to be able to use this, you'd have to take port 1 and that's where your main network connection would go in. And then you could plug in a computer, you could plug in a printer, and you could plug in a smart TV, and they would all go through wire number 1 to go out to the internet. If you were to get one of these SFP plus little adapters, it would slide in here and slide right into place, and it'd either give you a fiber optic or an Ethernet option here, where that it would basically turn this into like the link for these devices. So then you'd have all 4 of these open because you'd be using this or this to link to the main router. It does have the option to wall mount it down here, power on the back, little ground, little gaps for air, but that's essentially it. You've got 4 ports, you could connect up to 4 devices, and you'd be moving at speeds up to 2.5 gigs. Thanks again to this company who was nice enough to send this to me to unbox and show you exactly what you get here. Thank you all for watching. See you in the next one. Deuces.